Tov, everybody, welcome back. It was only a couple hours ago when Shabbat ended for us here in Eretz Yisrael. And I look at my watch, okay, my driver's coming in 10 minutes to pick me up, to take me to the airport. Suddenly I get a ring on my phone. I look, it's my email. I see, flight is delayed until 8 o'clock in the morning. I had a 12:20 flight, a 12:20 a.m. flight from Ben Gurion to JFK. They pushed it off till 8 a.m. Now, what am I gonna do for the next 8 hours? As I'm thinking, suddenly the door opens and my friend walks in and tells me,
you know, there's many mitzvot that we have in the Torah. Some are mishpatim, some are chukim. Mishpatim means Hashem commanded us and we don't know the reason, like tefillin, Shabbat, things like that. But then there's mishpatim, don't kill, don't steal. You know, the mishpatim are more common sense. But in this week's parsha, what happens? Ekev tishme'un et mishpatim. All the blessings of this week's parsha comes from dafka listening to the mishpatim Hashem commanded. Meaning, even though my mind tells me, oh, it's logical, I shouldn't steal, I shouldn't do this, the small mitzvot be'adam lechavro, Hashem commanded on those also. And the main blessings, all the blessings of this week's parsha comes from them. Like the following story.
So I'm thinking to myself, what am I gonna do for the next 8 hours? And my friend tells me, wow, let's go to the kotel. So we take a car, we drive to the kotel. On our way to the kotel, we see some guy, we're talking, me and him, we see some guy who needs a ride, a tramp in Israel. They put the finger, you think, okay, what is he? He's giving me the finger? No, he needs a ride. And we go and we stop and we give him a ride. We didn't have to give him a ride. We could have just went, chilled, talked, that's it. We didn't need to give him a ride. Okay, we give him a ride, Ben Adam L'Chavero, helping out another Jew, this week's Parsha, as we just said, and we arrive by the kotel, and we're looking for parking. As we get to the entrance, suddenly the rabbi in the back that we pick up tells us, he says, stay over here. We're like, what? Bro, you're getting out of our car. No, he's like, stay here. And we're like, okay, we're looking at each other like, what's the diddly? I'm like, what's happening? So he's like, let me go speak to the shoter, let me speak to the guy. Okay, go. He goes, speaks to the guy, comes back in the car, he says, move up a little. Move up. Suddenly the front gate of the entire kotel opens up and he's like, drive. We start driving. No one says a word. The police, nothing. They just tell us to park over there, and we park right next to the kotel. Ben Adam L'Chavero. When you help your friend, man to friend, one of the biggest brachot, all the brachot, suddenly just fly in and help you. As we see from tonight. Shavuot Tov to everybody, and thanks for tuning in.